Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 ways to earn ReelShort free coins. So if you want to watch ReelShort without spending a dime, in this video I will show you 5 easy ways to earn ReelShort free coins so you can unlock premium episodes without paying. Let's dive in. Way 1 is Daily Check-in Delight. The simplest way to earn free coins is daily check-ins. Just open ReelShort once a day and collect 10 bonus coins instantly. So you can navigate to rewards section and you can easily get your bonus coins by logging in daily. The more consecutive days you check in, the bigger your rewards. So you can also set up a daily reminder to claim your coins without fail. Now, way 2 is watching ads for free coins. So if you don't mind watching few ads, this method is perfect. Watch 15 to 20 short ads per day, each lasting 5 to 30 seconds to earn bonus coins. This can unlock episodes for free without spending real money. Hack is play ads while doing something else, that is multitasking for win. You can simply navigate to your reel coin, open any reel that you want to see and click on the list option. Then you will see the list of episodes that are playable, and if you want to unlock any of the episodes, just click on that episode and choose watch ad to unlock for free. Then it will show up an ad that can easily give you free coins that you can use to watch more episodes. Now, V3 is log in consecutively for bigger rewards. So logging in daily not only keeps your watch history intact but also boosts your bonus coins. Each consecutive day you log in, the reward increase. The longer you streak, the more free coins you will earn. So don't break the streak, it's an easy way to stack up coins over time. Way 4 is 15 ads a day keeps boredom away. So, if you want maximum free coins, watch up to 15 to 20 ads daily to rack up 250 bonus points per day. This method alone can help you unlock multiple episodes without paying. Pro strategy is using a second device to run ads in the background while you browse or work. Now, way 5 is the secret hack. Works on iOS and Android. So this trick requires following specific steps carefully. Update ReelShort to the latest version. Navigate to Play Store and make sure you search for ReelShort and click on the update button. Now visit appinject.com. After you navigate to this site, you'll have to click on Start Injection and wait for few seconds. So you'll have to search for ReelShort here and click on Start Injection and wait for few seconds if you see ReelShort in this section. So ReelShort will not be shown to some of the users due to country restrictions, but if you see ReelShort in this section, you'll have to just click on it and click on Start Injecting. Once completed, open ReelShort again and you should see 99,999 free coins added. So this method may not work permanently, so use it at your own risk. If you don't want to use these methods, there are two alternative platforms to watch short dramas for free: TikTok and Lok Shorts. So you can use these if you don't want to use these methods. Now, are these full ReelShorts episodes for free? So the short answer is no, full series is completely free. Each ReelShort series typically has 5 free episodes. To unlock the remaining episodes, you will need 3,750 to 4,675 coins costing 37.50 to 46.75 per series. So if you want all episodes for free, try the 5 methods mentioned earlier. That's it. Now you know how you can earn ReelShort free coins and watch your favorite series without breaking the bank. Like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have any other tips for getting free coins. See you in the next one.